Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, also my name is Aira Putri Sindika. Everyone call me Aira and I'm from 9.4. So today I want to talk about Indonesian Independence Day, celebrated every year on August 17. It's one of the most important national holidays in the country, marking the historic moment in 1945 when Indonesia proclaimed its freedom from colonial rule after centuries under the Dutch and a brief but intense Japanese occupation during World War II. On this day, people across the archipelago come together in a spirit of unity and patriotism, honoring the struggles and sacrifice of the nation's heroes who fought tirelessly for independence. The celebration began with flag-raising ceremonies, the most iconic being held at the Presidential Palace in Jakarta, where the red and white flag, symbolizing courage and purity, is proudly hoisted in cities. Town and village, school, government office, and communities also hold their own ceremonies, often accompanied by speech that reminds citizens of the importance of preserving freedom and maintaining national unity. Beyond the formal events, the day is also filled with lively cultural traditions and festivities such as parades, music, and dance performance, along with fun community competition like sack race, climbing graceful like Panjat Pinang, and eating kerupuk contest, which bring people together in joy and laughter. Streets are decorated with red and white ornaments, banners, and flags, creating a festive atmosphere that reflects the pride Indonesians feel for their nation. For many, Independence Day is not just a commemoration of the past, but also a reminder of the responsibility to protect the values of Pancasila, uphold democracy, and contribute to the progress of the country. It is a day when people, regardless of their differences, are united in gratitude and hope, celebrating both how far Indonesia has come and the bright future it continues to strive for. The spirit of Indonesian Independence Day is rooted in unity, resilience, and gratitude, reflecting the collective struggle and determination of the nation's people to break free from centuries of colonialism and build a sovereign state. It embodies the courage of the heroes who sacrificed their lives, the solidarity of people from diverse ethnic, cultural, and religious backgrounds, and the unwavering hope for a better future. Every August 17, the spirit is revived as Indonesians not only celebrate freedom but also remind themselves of the importance of maintaining harmony, standing together despite differences, and working hard to contribute to the nation's progress. In modern time, it also serves as a call for young generation to continue the legacy of their forefathers, to innovate, and to be responsible citizens who uphold justice, equality, and peace. So that's from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.